Well, hello everyone. It's Donna. How are you? So, as you can see now, I have two complete rows done. Oh my goodness. Now, I have another one laid out over there. I'll show it to you in a second. Now, I have an issue here. I've never ever measured these blocks for some strange reason. I thought it was going to be the same size as this yellow one down here, which I don't know why, because you got a whole extra row on there. And I just made the assumption it was going to be like 13.5 inches or something. No, these are 18-inch blocks. So this is going to be substantially larger than I thought it was going to be. So what I think I'm going to do is I may keep it 3 wide, but make it 4 long instead of 3, or make it 4 by 5. But right now, as it sits, this is 52 inches wide, and it doesn't have a border on it yet or anything like that. So if I add another one on there, it's going to be, 70 something, about like that. I don't know, something like that. Anyway, so that is my dilemma right now. Uh, and hold on. Yay! So here's the other one laid out here. I could lay this one out now without even looking at my reference block, I think. And I've got the squares cut. Whoops, we just had a power hit. Right here for this last row. I could count up and tell exactly how much I need to cut another row. That wouldn't be any big deal at all. But yeah. And tomorrow, I don't know if I'm going to be able to sew on this at all or not, because the mystery quilt that I had done originally, was it August or something, and then there was a square table topper or mini quilt or something in October or something like that. I don't know. There was another quilt that I had already purchased the fabric for, and I'd inquired about the Ike quilt and all that. And well, I'm not going to go down that rabbit hole again, but I'd started making that quilt, and after I got some of it done, well, the first step done, when I saw the second step, I cut it and I got part of it done, and I'm like, and there's got to be an easier way, or seeing this in the size, I'm not sure exactly what it's going to do. So I simply did not do that quilt. It's packaged up down under my embroidery machine should I want to pull it out as a UFO, or I might just, put put the fabric in the stash that I can. And then I don't know what I'm going to do with the rest if I don't. But I saw my dealer, I think there was one completed quilt. And while the lady sewed it beautifully, um, my own personal opinion of the pattern was either layout was just hideous. And I guess I'm kind of glad that I stopped when I did. There might be people that like that quilt. I don't know, but I'm not going to say what it is. I just thought it was hideous. But so I know that the one tomorrow's is the next free one, and this one's supposed to be a table runner, and 6 back quarters, whatever. I can pull 6 back quarters anytime, or cut my fabric or whatever I may do. I don't know. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do tomorrow, and I may wait until I see all of the clues before I determine if I want to cut into my fabric for something that might be hideous, or in my own opinion. Anyway, we know what opinions are, and I certainly have mine. But that's it for today, and I will talk to you later. Bye.